Hi my lovely children, how are you? So, one guest came here to see you. Who is he? Do you want to know? Okay my dear children, he's also very excited to see you. First, you have to like my video, right? And you have to see full video. My dear children, so he's a new guest. His name is Munching Mike. Very nice. Who is he? Munching Mike. My God, it's very good. It's very beautiful. Right? And what he likes to eat? What he is eating? Melon. What he is eating? Munching Mike is eating melon. Wow. He is eating melon. And what is here? My God, you all the time you are scaring from them. What are these? These are mouse. What are these? These are mouse. And when Munching Mike eats melon, and he likes to eat melon, and one more fruit he likes to eat. Munching Mike likes melon and one more fruit. What? Mango. Very nice. Do you like also? Yes, I like most. So, it is melon. So, what Munching Mike says when he eats both fruits? He says, What he says? He says, What he says? He says, Right? In his mouth, he says, but he will not say it loud. He will not say it loud. He will say only right? This is the sound of this letterland character, Munching Mike. He says all the time when he eats these fruits. Wow, beautiful. So, Munching Mike has a mug. What he has? He has a mug. And what he drinks in a mug? Milk. What he drinks? Milk. Wow. And when he drinks milk, he says also, Wow. So, Munching Mike has a friend. He has a friend and his name is Monkey. Wow. Huh? Have you ever seen monkey? Yes, you have seen in the zoo, right? And Munching Mike has a friend. His name is Monkey. And Munching Mike likes in the sky what? He likes in the sky moon. Wow, he likes moon in the sky. Wow. Huh? And then Munching Mike has a friend and her name is Mona. Wow, her name is Mona. Very nice. And when Munching Mike eats melon and mango with monkey, they both eat melon and mango, and then they drink milk in a mug. Then they saw a moon, and then they will tell the Mona all the things. They tell to Mona all the things, and then all of them, Monkey, Munching Mike and Mona, what they will say? They will sing. They will sing a poem of Munching Mike. So my dear children, before listen this Munching Mike poems, just go and like my video, subscribe my channel. My name is Teacher Nadia Javed and my channel name is Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School. So my dear children, this is your school. In pandemic, this is helping you to learn more and more about phonics and the letters of English, and you have to promote this school and you are the student of this school. So my dear children, subscribe my channel and see all the videos and like all the videos. Okay, so we were talking about the munching mic and Mona and monkey. What they will sing? They will sing a poem of munching mic. Munching mic says in words, in words, in words. Munching mic says in words. It belongs to Mr. M. Wow, it belongs to Mr. M. Its name is M and it's a sound M. So you will not say it aloud. This is the correct sound. Right? So this is the sound of munching mic. Very nice. So my dear children, how you will write sound? How you will write sound? So look, you will not use the first line. You will not use the last line. You have 4 lines. Mostly the students have 4 lines in their English copies. So my dear children, you will not use the first line. You will not use the last line. In the middle 2 lines, you will write sound. How? Look. You will start from here. Go down. Touch the 3rd line. Start from here. Make a little loop here. And come on the 3rd line. Touch this line. Don't pick up the pen. Go up. Go up. You will turn from here. You will leave some space over here. You will move from here. Touch the 2nd line. Make a bridge. Come down. Again touch this line. Then go up. Then leave a little space here. Then round. Make a bridge. Go down and make a loop. This is sound. So my dear children, now I will not pick up my pen and you have to see carefully how I am going to write sound. And remember, you will not also pick up your pen while you are writing sound, right? Start from here, down, touch this line, go up, make a bridge, down, touch the 3rd line, then go up, make a bridge, touch the 3rd line and a loop. This is sound, sound, sound. So my dear children, you learned so many sounds from Teacher Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School. Hope you like my school, you like my videos and you are learning a lot from this school. So my dear children, take care of yourself and this is your homework. My God, what is your homework? A lovely homework. You have to buy mango, you have to eat mango and say right? You have to say right? And the other work is that you have to make a scenery of the sky. You have to draw a moon over there, right? And you have to make a lot of stars with the moon and you have to paste it on your wall, right? So, my dear children, look, so many things. So, when and the other thing is that you have to observe the monkey's naughtiness, right? Huh? When monkey eats all the fruit, all the time he says, right now? So, when you go to the zoo, also observe monkey and take a snap in your mobile, in your camera of monkey and paste it in your English copy. Very nice. And then, my dear children, you have mug. Definitely you are having milk daily. So, you have a mug, decor your mug with different things and all the time when you drink milk in your mug, you will say mmm, right? So many homeworks you have today. So it's yummy now. Your lesson is yummy today, huh? Amazing. So why it's yummy? I'm saying it yummy because we have 2 fruits and milk. My God, huh? And the things with most sound you likes the most, this animal monkey, you like moon, right? So our lesson is beautiful today. So my dear children, take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayer, right? And take care of your parents. God bless you. Bye bye.